Hello, my name's Dominic Fonte. Thanks for tuning in today. I'd like to welcome you to my virtual walkthrough. Since you can't be with me, I'd like to give you the tour through this home located at 5137 Plain Center Avenue, Northeast Canton, Ohio. Now, this is a wonderful traditional two-story all-brick home. It has almost 2,700 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. It's situated about 400 feet off the road. It's a little sanctuary. You'd think you're out in the country somewhere with woods, and here you're so convenient to everything. It's Plain Township schools, Plain local schools, Canton City. It's 2.43 acres. It's tucked away, it's beautiful. So let me give you the view. Let's take a look out the front. So I'm gonna open the door here and just take a little peek of the panoramic that you have. So this is the front view, and then of course the driveway is 400 foot long. All right, so back in. So when I come in the front door, we have a hardwood 3/4 inch thick tongue and groove hardwood floor, so you can see a close look up at that. It's warm and inviting. Wood detailing. You also have a formal dining room here with a trade ceiling, built-in hutch. Of course, then you got access to the kitchen. Nice sconces. Again, hardwood floors in this room. Give you another peek. So those are 3/4 inch tongue and groove. Okay, so now back to the front. And then you have your formal living room right here to the left of the door, and the kitchen straight ahead, and then of course upstairs. So let's take a look at the living room area. Nice parlor with pocket doors with glass. Everything's nice and neutral, and it opens to the family room with a fireplace with a wood starter. So let's just kind of show you what we have. Front door. So I walked around into the living room. And this is the living room, family room. It's open with the pocket doors as a divider. So let's take a look again. So I came from the front door into the parlor living room area, which has these nice pocket doors. And then the family room, with you have some built-ins here to the left, fireplace with a gas starter, so you can burn wood. It's all brick, floor to ceiling. You have a bowed window straight ahead with more of the sanctuary view. Let's take a look at that. Give you an idea. Now this is within walking distance of Gervasi. And then there's a screened-in porch we'll look at here in a minute. So walking trail, Gervasi, it's wonderful. So this is your own little private sanctuary. Again, this is the bowed window here. Okay, so now let's take a look at the kitchen. This is all open and nice, very homey. Okay, so now the kitchen, large kitchen, plenty of cabinets, nice island area with some sitting, a desk off to the right there. This is like a maple cabinet with a cherry finish. You have a really nice laminate product floor. Let me give you a close-up of that. Okay, so when you get in here, which is really nice, is you have this wonderful setting here. We're gonna go out into, it's the screened-in porch. So that's a great feature here. Stainless steel appliances. Okay, another peek back into the formal dining area. So let's take a look here. So if you were over here doing dishes and you wanted to see what's happening in the back, this is the view. So you have a nice deck. And then of course the screened-in porch to the left, you can see. Yeah, so nice appliances. Give you another perspective into the family room here. So there you go. Now let's take a look in the screened-in porch area. So this is basically a deck. Give you a little perspective out here. So you can sit out here, no mosquitoes, no bugs. You can hear the nature, a lot of wildlife. Off the deck, you have a nice place for a grill. Straight ahead is a pond, water feature, storage barn, a lot of space in the woods. It feels like you're camping out here. Music's piped in parts of the house. Okay, so let's go look at the back part, which is where the laundry, office, bathroom area. So let's look at the office real quick. So here, a lot of natural light coming in here. So here's your office. This has carpeting. Okay, and then you have your half bath right across from it. Okay, and then your laundry right here. Nice folding table. Plenty of cabinets, and of course a wash sink. And then right out here is a 3-car garage. And then you have lots of storage. All right, so let's head around and head upstairs next. Might as well walk down the foyer again and look at the front. Okay, now let's go upstairs. Okay, let's take a look here in the master. So this would be facing the front of the house, so you get a sense of the view. Walk-in closet. All right. So a shower. Big corner jet tub. Skylight, double sinks, plenty of counter space here. Linen closet right behind the door. All right, let's look at the second bathroom. Okay, so this is double sinks. Okay. And then ceramic tile, which looks very nice. Tub shower combo to the left. Linen closet behind the door. This would be the smallest bedroom. This faces the front of the house too. And of course you got a nice closet. But yeah, the view's gorgeous. All the windows have wonderful views. Carpeting's new. Okay. So bifold doors. Let's take a look out this window. Lots of woods. This was built by Terrell Homes, custom builders. Good quality built. Seems like all the bedrooms have good sized closets. Linen closet right here. All right, so that's your 4 bedrooms. Thanks for tuning in today. My name's Dominic. I hope you enjoyed the virtual tour. Since you can't be with me, I hope you enjoy it. So if you have any questions, you can call me at 330-418-1535. Go to DominicFonte.com to see this tour or others. Or if you'd like to send me an email, just go to Dominic@DominicFonte.com. Thanks for tuning in.